Hey guys, today we have a 2007 Volvo XC90 and this car only have one key, and we're gonna clone, cut a key and clone for this car. All right, let's get started. Alright, with this one I'm gonna try to show you how to cut this key. Let's go to find bidding for this one, for the Volvo XC90, and we just go to Volvo right here, and this one is NE66 right here. I used the 760 right here for bidding, which if I look at the book right here, Volvo 03 to 14 XC90 and the Licia NE66. That's what it looked like. And it's for bidding, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one I'm not gonna show you how to cut it because I already cut it. And, when you click the NE66, click that, you use the M2A clamp, put it in the top position. There you go, M2A clamp. You put it right on the top position right here, and then tighten it. Let me show you real quick. There you go. So once you put it there, press OK. So that's going to be decode the key. Same confirmation right there. Put it in top position. Decode the key. Alright, so that one is decoded, as you can see. Decode success. Press OK. And then when you're gonna cut the key, just remove that, put the same thing. This is already cut, but just put it on top, the same position, and you gotta go press cutting key. And if you continue, it should cut it. But I think it's gonna cancel this one because I already cut this key. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to not program it, clone it, because this one's not gonna start it because it doesn't have a chip inside. So you can show you real quick. Go back here. If you read the transponder here, this doesn't have a chip. If you read it, yeah, there's no chip. So we're gonna clone it with this another chip here. All right, let's go there. All right guys, so before we started, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to if this is clonable or not. So with our Keytoolmax, let's go transponder clone and read the transponder. Let's put the key on the coil. As you can see, it says it's clonable. All right, however, this one, we have a brand new one here. This is the chip, and this one we already cut a key for that. This key blade is NE66, and this one doesn't have any chip inside. If we go read transponder and put it in the coil, you'll see it doesn't have a transponder. So I'm gonna have a separate transponder for this. Let me go read it. See, it's unlocked, it's clonable. It just doesn't been programmed yet. So let's go ahead and program this. Clone this real quick. So what we're gonna do is, let's go back, transponder clone. Let's go clone. Let's go back. Let's get transponder, read transponder. Put it in the coil. There you go. Read it again. There you go. Clonable. And let's press clone. And let's go start cloning. Make sure you have that in the coil. So now we gotta collect some data. So put this in. Put the Keytoolmax, the antenna, close to your ignition. So what you gotta do, insert the original key and turn on. As you can see, it has one. Let me show you real quick. It has one data collected, and then remove it all the way and turn on again. Second data collected. If you just turn it off and on, it doesn't do any collection, so you have to remove it and put it on fully. So that's third. Do it again. We're gonna do it 8 times. 8. There you go. Keep going until you get the 8. That's the last one. There you go. And then let's put the key back to the coil. There you go. It's uploading to the server. Make sure you're in a good connection with the internet. There you go. Then remove this one and put a chip, the new chip, the blank chip. Put it in the coil. And there you go. That thing is complete. And we can read it again so you can see it will be the same. Read transponder. That's it. Let's do it again. Read it one more time. Make sure they get. There you go. So clonable. Sometimes you just have to keep trying to read it. It doesn't read the right one. Alright. This is already cut, this one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that this doesn't start the car without the chip. I have a chip right here in my hand. It doesn't start it. Alright. I'm gonna try to start it with the original key. And it starts perfectly, but with this key that doesn't have a chip, it doesn't start it. However, we're gonna start using it with our clone chip. Put it right here. Make sure that the pointing one facing to the ignition. Let's start it. There you go. See that? Everything works fine. Alright, so that's how you clone it, guys. I know Volvo is hard to get to program the key, but this is the easiest way to do it. Just to have a spare key for it. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.